Good morning students. So today we are going to read about the trade system in the Iron Age. With the introduction of iron tools, production of food and their products increased. So as they were using these iron tools, the production also increased, as we have seen in the earlier pages that they were now producing faster and more things. Okay, so now what to do now? They are producing more now. The production is increased. This encouraged trade with other villages and towns. So they have started to buy and sell things by going to the other villages and towns. Okay, so what to do with the increased item now? So they are going to other towns and cities and villages to sell and buy the other things. Coins began to be used so that buying and selling of crops and iron tools could be easy. So पहले वो लोग क्या करते थे? They were using barter system, means they were giving things to the other people and taking things of them. ठीक है? But now they are using coins to buy and sell the things. So first of all, these coins were made of iron. Okay, but in later years, silver and golden coins were also used, and some coins were also made by the mixture of gold and silver. ठीक है? So now in the trade system, we know that they have started selling and buying things with the help of coins. Okay, and these coins first they were made of iron, and then they have started to use gold and silver coins also. Now moving forward to the next point, that is the urban centers. Now everywhere did not need to practice agriculture. Food could be produced by a smaller group of people. Okay, so now some people are producing food. So what to do the other people? The other people वो लोग क्या करेंगे? So we know that all people are not farmers. No, the one group of people are farmers, the other people are doing other things, isn't it? So in that time also the farmers were producing crops and all these things. So what do the other people do? They started to make urban centers where they can practice art and craft, literature, and also trade. So they have started to learn all these things in the urban centers. What? Art and craft, literature, trade system. Okay. Now the next point is weapons and warfare. Weapons like swords, spears, arrowheads began to be made of iron. These weapons were stronger and more efficient. They helped people to win wars against those people who did not use iron weapons. So now iron weapons are more stronger. ठीक है? Swords, spears, arrowheads. You can see the picture given. These of arrowheads. These are stronger weapons. वो आप ये अगर weapons आपको लगेगी ना तो आपको चोट लग जाएगी. Okay? So they have started to use this weapons, and they also win the wars. मतलब अगर war होता था और if they are using this, so जिनके पास आयरन इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स नहीं होते थे उनसे वो लोग जल्दी जीत जाते थे. ओके, with the discovery of iron, chariots also improved. Iron spokes and rims were fitted into wooden wheels. This helped the chariots to move faster. मतलब chariot means in the old time there was no cars. Okay, there were no cars. तब तो cars थे नहीं, तो तब क्या करते थे ये लोग? chariot बनाते थे. Means you can see the bull carts or some carts that are pulled by horses. ठीक है, उनको बोलते थे chariot. तो वहाँ पे जो व्हील्स होता था, ऑब्वियसली द व्हील वुडन होता था और उसमें जो रिम्स लगाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि आपके साइकिल में रिम्स होते हैं ना, लाइक दैट द रिम्स वेर मेड ऑफ आयरन सो दैट द चैरियट कैन मूव फास्टर. Now life in the people, life in Iron Age village. The people of Iron Age lived in tribes ruled by chiefs, kings or queens. तो वहाँ पे how they used to live? तो वहाँ का एक जो वो लोग ट्राइब होते थे, मीन्स एक कम्युनिटी जो होता था, वहाँ पे एक चीफ लोग होता था और फिर यहाँ पे एक किंग भी होता था और अ क्वीन ऑल्सो. Most people were farmers, as we already know, who used a variety of iron tools. They cleared the land for farming using iron axes and turned the soil with iron-tipped plows. तो वो लोग, we have already discussed these points earlier, that they are using these iron tools so that they can produce faster. Okay. There were battles with neighboring tribes who were fierce rivals. मतलब fierce means एकदम वो लोग क्या करते थे, वॉर करते थे, ठीक है, और बहुत खतरनाक. fierce means खतरनाक, वॉर करते थे अपने राइवल्स के साथ. मीन अगर कोई दुश्मन ट्राइब हो, ठीक है, तो उनके साथ पहले वी कैन सी देयर वर सो मेनी वॉर्स, ठीक है, पहले के ज़माने में बहुत वॉर्स होते थे. तो वॉर्स वर मोस्टली fierce only. Chiefs built forts on hillsides to protect their villages from invasions. Rich land owning warriors were the most important people. So already we have discussed this point also. This chiefs जो अपना घर होता था वो हिल पे बनाता था. Why? Because इन्वेशंस मीन्स दूसरे लोग आके वहाँ पे अटैक ना कर सके, इसीलिए वो अपने हाउसेस ऊपर बनाता था. ओके, सो जिसके पास ज़्यादा ज़मीन होती थी ऑब्वियसली वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट लोग होते थे. There were birds, merchants, artists, skilled craftsmen and priests called druids. तो ये सब लोग भी तब थे. सिर्फ मर्चेंट्स भी थे, पोएट्स भी थे, आर्टिस्ट भी थे, देन प्रीस्ट मतलब पुजारी भी होते थे तब, जिनको बोला जाता था druids. ओके. Civilizations of the Iron Age. Two civilizations of the Iron Age were the Greek and the Roman civilization. तो आयरन एज दो सिविलाइजेशन में है. देयर आर टू सिविलाइजेशंस, वन इज ग्रीक सिविलाइजेशन and another one is Roman civilization. The discovery and use of iron was an extremely important development in human history. The use of iron brought about changes in the society, affecting agriculture, warfare and other areas of people's life. So the use of iron has mostly changed the life of the people. ठीक है, पहले बोन्स यूज़ करते थे, वुड यूज़ करते थे, है ना, टीन, ब्रोंज, वो सब यूज़ करते थे. बट आफ्टर द इंट्रोडक्शन और डिस्कवरी ऑफ आयरन, लाइफ हैज़ बिकम मोर now more easy. ठीक है, so the Iron Age is a very important age in our history. Okay, thank you.